Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today let's get excited. I'm gonna bring you to my store. Yes, if you don't yet know, I'm Nordstrom Beauty Styles. Today I'm gonna show you brand new eyeshadows from MAC. They're not limited editions, they're permanent. I'm gonna show you like 4 little ones and 3 big ones. Also, I will introduce you to my friend Erica, but I have one palette today with me, and of course I'm gonna show you. Yes, look at these 12 eyeshadows. They are full sizes. It's a very neutral palette. We have a brand big mirror story here. It will be $54, available May 4. Also, what I like, we have in a bag here names for eyeshadow, because some is brand new, some will say you already know, you're familiar. And of course I use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's already on me, and of course I already made video just for you. Get excited girls. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, support your favorite Nordstrom Beauty Styles. I always bring you something secretly, something new. Nobody yet have this video, nobody posted, nobody talk about this. I constantly bring you little by little like secret beauty weapons. Again, look at this beautiful packaging. It's just such a beautiful like packaging, and I like how it feels. This palette, again, $54 for 12 eyeshadow. Woo! Still, and quality is there. Again, I already mentioned to you, I'm gonna bring you to the store. I'm gonna let Erica, my friend, who is a MAC manager, who is an expert, she will show you more. She will talk about this brand new launch. Please give 2 hours thumbs up. Also, I decided I'm gonna show you original palette and new palette. Yes, you can see they are different, and this is colors. It's an original palette, and it's Art of Library nude model. I have a couple videos for this specific palette. I really like it. It's my favorite, but now this is gonna be my favorite eyeshadow palette too. Colors are similar, I will say yes, but they're not the same. Some colors are the same, some it's not. But you know, I like to talk. Now I'm in a store and I'm gonna show you my MAC counter. I'm gonna introduce you to Erica. She's gonna tell you all about this new eyeshadow collection. It's amazing. I'm in a store and I want you to introduce you to my friend Erica.
Hi everyone, hello Katya Beauty Style followers. Thank you Katerina for that warm welcome. Just like Katerina said, my name is Erica. I'm the retail manager for MAC at Nordstrom Tampa, with some super exciting news for you guys. We are launching Connect in Color May 4th. It's going to be 3 full-size eyeshadows, and then we have 4 6 pans in full size as well. Just to give you guys a little bit of product knowledge, these are 25% more color saturation than the eyeshadows we currently carry. If you guys can come a little closer to take a look how gorgeous the color payoff is. Ultramarine color, which, oh, you guys, could you imagine doing a smoky eye with that? Stunning. Another one of my favorites too is gonna be the palette that is kind of neutral. If any of you makeup artists are out there looking to build a palette, or looking to build your kit, this is such a great one for doing bridal makeup. Just to give you a heads up on like the colors, I mean, come on. Look how creamy and beautiful. These can be used wet or dry.
Let me come close and show these colors. Okay, you can come and close to you. Wow, look at this pigment here. Wow. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my God, I love this too. Oh. Erica, let's show this crazy for me eyeshadow palette.
Yes, for all of those colorful fashionistas out there that are really wanting to like express themselves with color for spring and summer, this is the palette. Look at that gorgeous dark room eyeshadow.
Wow.
Check this one out. I'm running out of fingers, you guys. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Like alluring aquatic tones.
Okay, I'm coming close. I want you guys to see palette and then of course color. Wow.
I want to dip into this yellow, you guys. Sunny. This pink one. Gorgeous. You can get them kind of like sheer and pastel-y, but honestly, look at that payoff.
But I think you can build to like really high pigment.
Yes, as I don't know if I forgot to mention, they are 25% more pigmented than our regular eyeshadows. These will launch May 4th. It's next Thursday, I believe, and these will retail, I believe, for $54.
$54, right?
The minis, the ones that are the 6 pans, will retail for $30. What a great value!
Of course, I will put link below for these products. Shop, guys. But again, look at how beautiful this eyeshadow palette.
This one too, for all of like hazel eyes and brown eyes. Gorgeous. That'll pull out the gold. This coloring is so pretty. You got some good kind of like pinky champagnes, burgundy-ish colors. Those are great for green eyes. Beautiful for a smoky eye, which is definitely making its way back. We're talking the traditional smoky eye. We look forward to seeing you guys so soon to do like a Wow 15, which is like a 15-minute eye demo on how to use the palettes. If you don't want to try on, you can definitely come by and swatch. Katarina's available anytime. I'm available for you guys anytime. We cannot wait to see you guys.
All what you need to do, come to shop at Nordstrom Tampa. Guys, what do you think about my store, right? It's huge and my counter is ginormous. And if you ever need your makeup done at MAC, Erica and her girls waiting for you. Okay, please give me a thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to see me in Nordstrom Tampa, come to see and say hi to me. Love you more than ice cream.